There's no doubt that these experiments are particularly cruel for these monkeys. The experiments last around 4 years, during which these monkeys are trained to watch a spot on a TV monitor for hours. They spend their whole day in cages, cooped up in cages singly, with no environmental enrichment at all. They are taken out of their cages once to 3 times a week for a whole year. They're then taken and put in a primate chair. They have absolutely no ability to move their hands. They cannot move their heads. And they're then taken to a special darkened room, left on their own, to practice watching the spot of light on a monitor. They have to press a button in order to get a reward of a few drops of water. The monkeys are constantly on a thirst regimen. They receive about 200 milliliters of water a day, which is about 1/3 of what they should be receiving. They have a dental cement cap fitted to their skulls. Holes are drilled through the skull to expose the cortex, the visual cortex of the brain. And the cortex of the brain is then exposed to a special dye, which is photographed with photographic equipment to register the activity of the nerves in that part of the brain every time that the monkey is exposed to the dots or other objects on the screen or the monitor. One has no doubt that from the monkey's point of view, this constitutes torment. I would even go so far as to say torture from the monkey's perspective. And one must ask, why are we doing this? This sort of research is categorized as basic research. Really what it does is it provides information to satisfy the curiosity of a small group of research scientists. As a veterinary surgeon, I have absolutely no use for this sort of research. And one must ask the question, does this research have any value for human medicine? Today, we have so many advanced, non-invasive imaging techniques, such as PET scans, CT, functional MRI, and so forth. So do we really need to do this sort of research in monkeys? My view, my personal view, is that this sort of research has no place in 21st century science.